What's going on, everybody? This is Christian from One Accord Fragrance Reviews. Today we're going to be going over my newest addition to the collection from the house of Kilian Moonlight in Heaven, Croisiere. Stay right there. So I recently picked this one up from the Kilian boutique. This is a limited edition flanker of Moonlight in Heaven. The perfumer is Khalees Becker. The keynotes are lemon, bergamot, coconut milk, but it also has mango, jasmine, and tonka bean. So like I said, this is a flanker of Moonlight in Heaven. This one is called Croisiere, which means cruise. So it explains why it's a fresher, more aquatic take on the actual Moonlight in Heaven, which was one of my favorite when we went to the Kilian boutique. So let's go ahead and open the box. Alright, comes out of the sleeve. Gives you a small carrying bag. And there it is. So again, this is a fresher take on Moonlight in Heaven. I honestly cannot wait to give this one a full wearing. I have worn Moonlight in Heaven to work already. And there you go. Now, that being said, let's give it a try. Now again, this one is styled for the summer. It's very fresh, aquatic. So right off the bat, you'll get the lemon and bergamot. You'll see the mango kind of push its way forward too. And that coconut milk just kind of makes it a little creamy. Definitely glad that I picked this one up. I managed to get it for a better price than it's normally listed for. And ready to check out a lot more that Kilian has to offer. I also have a sample of Moonlight in Heaven. So we'll try that one over here. Then yeah, you can get this one being a lot fruitier. But again, both very good scents. From what I hear, you'll get about 4 to 5 good hours of longevity. But it's a pretty good skin scent after that. So you'll get a scent trail. And all in all, I'm glad I got it, especially for the price that I ended up getting it for. I mean, it's a beautiful bottle. They ended up putting the Klein Blue Wave on the front. You have the, I believe that's gunmetal placard on it. You have the K for Kilian on the cap. And it's definitely gonna look great on the shelf there. So, that's my unboxing and presentation of Moonlight in Heaven Croisiere. Thanks for joining me. God bless.